Today, I'm going to show you how to make these cute Frankenstein treat cups. These could work great as a party favor for your child's classroom party or to serve at your Halloween bash. To make your own, you need an assortment of Halloween candy, green party cups, your Frankenstein face, transfer tape, cutting tools, and a cutting machine. Start by removing the excess material from your cutout. If you do not own a cutting machine, you can cut out a simple Frankenstein face design by hand. This could be found doing a simple Google search. Once you have the excess material removed, use your transfer tape to apply it to the side of the cup. Now, fill your cup with your favorite Halloween candy. You can easily use different colored cups to make pumpkins, ghosts, or vampires. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.